In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Our today's topic is important. Rather, it is very important and very important indeed. To the surprise of many, almost all of the people, me, you, and all the people, we are in need of it. If at all we do think that we we need certain improvements in our life, then I think that each one of us, every one of us, no matter how good someone else is, no matter how good someone else is, it is important and important indeed. It is important not only for the few people, not only for the people who are not so successful, rather, even the people who are successful enough, each and everyone else is in need of it. And this topic is how to get rid of the bad habits which are injuring us, which are creating a kind of trouble in our life, which is making the habits which are making us, which are turning us someone who is a failure, someone who is a miserable, someone who is unsuccessful, someone who is dissatisfied and unhappy person. I think so. Our bad habits are not anyway lesser than the diseases. Our bad habits are diseases. We need to control some of the habits are really like the diseases everyone else now need to cure, everyone else need to manage these diseases. And the bad habits are not anyway lesser than the diseases. How to control these diseases? We can choose one of these, and this one, the one which can somehow create a kind of confidence upon the system of controlling the bad habits. We might choose something which is relatively easy to get rid of, simply to make us understand, simply to make us get persuaded that we can control these bad habits. We can get rid of these bad habits. First of all, please understand that all the bad habits we have does become a kind of addiction. That is the reason we need to make enough amount of effort, enough amount of struggle to get rid of these diseases, to get rid of these bad habits. So we think that these bad habits are actually making me enjoy the life. We are seeking pleasure. That is why it becomes a kind of addiction in our life. Now we do have to control this addiction and that addiction, but one by one we can start from something which is relatively easy. First of all, we need to identify that these are the bad habits, and I do want to have a kind of control. I do want to curb and to undo and to get rid of these bad habits. We think that the bad habits give me pleasure. This is the kind of picture, this is the kind of image. We need to change this image, or we need to spoil, we need to make dirty, we do need to make it filthy. As for this picture about that particular habit is concerned, we need to understand the kind of losses, the kind of trouble, the kind of pain I am getting out of that particular bad habit. And we need to make this picture, the picture about that particular habit, as something which is very ugly, as something which is very dirty and filthy, as something which is obnoxious, as something which is disgusting, as something which is quite hateful. We need to make this picture, and we need to tell us. We need to tell us repeatedly. We need to tell us again and again. We need to tell us every time we do remember about this particular habit. We need to tell ourselves. We need to remind ourselves that this is something which is hurting me. This is something which is harming me. This is something which is making me lose my dignity, my honor, and this is something which makes my life unenjoyable. This is something which is making my life as unsuccessful one. We need to change the old picture, or we need to make it dirty. We need to put a kind of new image on our inside our brain. On the other hand, what we need to do is that we should on the other hand what we need to do is that we need to control even the good habits, the habits which are not bad habits, but simply these habits are giving us the pleasure. These habits are giving us the control. These habits are giving us a kind of satisfaction. We need to control. I am not saying that eradicate them. I am saying that bring certain changes in those habits for the purpose of gaining control over oneself. Once we do get a kind of control over oneself, it will help us a lot in controlling the bad habits. Why? Because we have gained a kind of self control, because we have gained a kind of self discipline, and this self control will make us a strong human being, and we can obtain a kind of self disciplinary habit. We can gain a kind of strength, and this strength will inshallah help us a lot in controlling, in managing, and in getting rid of that bad habits. We need to gain control from here. And the other hand, we need to change the picture, the kind of picture we are having about that particular bad habit. We need to make this image as something which is very dirty, as something which is very filthy, as something which is very hurtful, as something which is very obnoxious, and we need to control it by coming from both of these sides. From one side we were making the picture dirty. On the other hand, we were controlling even the good habits, even the habits which were not so bad. Now we can turn to this thing. The habit we want to get rid of. I think so, with the help of the two things, that the image and the picture changing. On the other hand, strength and discipline gaining from the all other habits. With the help of these two tools, we can attack now, and we can attack the bad habit. Obviously, we might adopt a kind of strategy, either to getting rid of abruptly, or to gradually reducing it and further reducing it by making a dirty, a hurtful, and a kind of very bad, hateful, obnoxious, and disgusting picture. Seeking the help from controlling the other habits, making this picture dirty, hateful, obnoxious, disgusting, and then attacking the bad habits. With the help of these two tools, keep attacking it, keep repeating the hurtful, keep repeating the kind of losses, the kind of trouble, the kind of pain, the kind of shameful situation you people are facing because of that bad habit. So this is how we can control the bad habits. We can get rid of these bad habits, and we can start enjoying the life. We can start living in a dignified, in an honorable manner. Thank you.